Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. So as you can see in the background, there is a lot of stuff that I'm going to do the unboxing, but what I'm going to open in this video, you can take a hint probably from here. We have all the Lambos here, right? So yes, this is going to be a good one. Well, I got my hands on this a little late. I have imported this from China. You can see there is no Indian stickers on this, and of course there is this gibberish all over. So let's open this up without wasting the time. This one is the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 EVO from IMSA Daytona, 24 hours. People are going crazy for this car. Crazy. And it is actually a crazy casting. I really like the casting, the color, the combination, dual tone and everything. Okay, so here is the car, man. Wow, actually this is not dual tone. There are like 3 different colors on this car. So base first, of course. We have here 3 screwdrivers, actually screws on it, not screwdrivers, and I really apologize for that. The aerodynamic details are really crazy. The threads there are no threads. It's flat tires, more like without threads, because it's a Daytona car. They have these kind of racing wheels. Look at that. Look at that back. The tail lights look so good. All the carbon fiber detailings, all the logos, Cobalt Lamborghini logo, the exhaust detailings, and if you can see, actually this is a carbon fiber and it looks really cool actually. Has 78 number on it. This is your side profile. Someone is getting married, I think that's why there is so much firework in the background. They are happy I got this Lamborghini. Look at that profile. The spoiler looks crazy. The wheels look great. I don't know how many spokes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 10 spoke actually. Wow. The 40 on the side, the purple color with the green and black trim. The carbon fiber on the windows. All the decals on the top. Michelin logo on the wheels. Wow. Just too good. And look at that. Wow, it says Lamborghini. We have logo over here. We have some radiator details. The headlights look crazy aggressive. Number 78 on the top. Side mirrors are green, of course, as per the theme of the car. I like the windshield actually. Look at that. I don't know what it says. It says Squadra Corse. I don't know what that means. And this is your full top view. So many liveries. These detailings are crazy. The fin is crazy. Carbon fiber detailing on the spoiler, I told you. This is just a beautiful piece of art. Something beautiful to add. And yes, wow, it rolls really very smooth. Wow, it looks so good, so good. It looks so good. I'm going to place it over here like this. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.